Kraken craves the missing blood, driven by pride, consumed by fear. The shadow of his doom is near, two bodies hanging from the wall to seal the young prince's final fall. The charred remains, the silent cries, a kingdom built on monstrous lies.
Inside the cage, the lion smiles with echoes of his deadly wiles. A cousin's blood upon the floor to open up the prison door. No honor left within the chain. He slays the guard to break his pain. The king of summer loses ground as ancient hatred is unbound.
A man without honor, a sky without light. The ashes are falling into the night.
The sorcery wakes, the blades turn red. Westeros counts the unholy dead.
Turn from the truth, surrender the crown, to burn the last house of innocence down.
Of innocence down. Lost in the ice, she speaks the word, the sweetest taunts he ever heard.
You know nothing, the wildling sneers, as northern honor disappears. In ancient Qarth, the throat is cut, the gates of gold are firmly shut. The warlock breathes his double breath to bring the rulers down to death. The dragon's trapped inside the tower.